Well, how we communicate and understand ourselves has a lot to do actually with when we were born. So years ago, think about it, no internet. You were lucky if you had a wall phone, a phone on the wall that you had to wait for people to phone you. You had to wait for someone else to finish so that you could pick up and phone somebody else. Hell, some people even had phones down the street. They didn't even have one within their home, right? And they probably only told their family or closest friends their innermost feelings and communicated often through song lyrics, through writing, and other expressive ways. Current day, look at it, fast forward, bring us up to the here and the now. And what we're looking at is these whiz kids, almost born with a phone in their hand, okay, communicating through social media, emojis. This blows my mind. Google knows their secrets before their friends and family. Google knows everything before friends and family. That is intense. That is wild to think that we would seek out the answers before talking to the people that are closest to us about maybe some of our inner struggles. But that's where we're at. Those, people in the world tend to do that. I mean, I do that now and again as well. But if you look at it, sort of more modern day people that were born more in the younger world are not so keen on face-to-face communication or expressing their feelings that way or over the phone. They're likely to express them through YouTube or through TikTok. This often makes me think of my mum calling me for dinner. Melissa, dinner's ready. When I was a kid, I was probably running outside, running around. I was quite a tomboy, maybe playing, I don't know, Stuck in the Mud or Mob or something like this when we were younger. But I often think now, how would you call someone for dinner? Would you have to create a TikTok video, put it up there saying, asking you for dinner with a dance to be more successful in getting your kids to come to the table for dinner? But that's what we're looking at. We're looking at many different generations communicating in many different ways with many different preferences. So if we look at, obviously, years and years ago, we look at the now, well, the bit in the middle are people that were born with no internet. They had a phone, but then they started to learn about the internet. The internet was born maybe in the more teenage years. You had Snake on your phone. If your mobile phone ran out of credit, you'd then use the house phone because you'd prefer to text your friends before you picked up the phone often. But this group of people tend to want to communicate everywhere, but may need help with communicating that particular message. Well, if we think about that, what is a modern mindset? If we've looked at what it entails, the why, the history behind it, well, a modern mindset and what is needed right now is to understand and improve our emotional intelligence. It is to feel empowered to express ourselves and being enabled to do that with or without technology. You see, the world demands that of us. So it shouldn't really matter when you were born. You can be equipped for a modern world that demands high emotional intelligence, strong communication, and good technical skill, right? We can. In tomorrow's world, all of these things will go hand in hand. Why? Because AI, or artificial intelligence, starts to replace the long and tedious tasks that required human labor to do that. Now, it doesn't mean that as human beings, we're not going to be needed. Of course, it just means that it's going to throw the emotional intelligence, the expression and the communication that we do much more into the limelight, and it's going to be magnified. So it will increase the demand for emotional intelligence by 6 times over the next few years. Right? If you look at what happened in 2020, think about it. Suddenly we're in a world where we have to communicate online, and how we do that effectively. Other people can see us communicating a lot more in the modern world. And are we doing that effectively? Are we empowering other people through our communication? So all of these skills that we talk about in the modern mindset are crucial for our social ability with friends, family, as well as in the workplace with our colleagues and our customers. So our people skills are no longer a nice to have, they're an absolutely must have skill. So yeah, let's master a modern mindset together going forward.